Hey y'all, Blake here with Cobalt Ventures. I wanted to show you our newest designer home here in the Oak Hill area. Let's take a look. All right, y'all, we're here in the living room or the great room. Really high ceilings, the trim detail, the modern fireplace. When I'm standing here, I can see all three levels, right? It's very open. I can see second floor, I can see all the way up to the third floor, I can see the kitchen, I can see the dining room. This entry really makes a statement. All right, y'all, we're in the kitchen. You'll notice the grand backsplash, the pot filler, the massive hood, the massive range, the panel-ready appliance. The hidden pantry with magnets on it so that it stays open. If we step into the pantry here, you've got a microwave, you've got a sink, and then you've also got this water bottle filler, which is a nice little feature. All right, y'all, we're standing in the primary bedroom. Let's take a look at some of its features. You got the wall detail backing up to your bed. You've got the vaulted ceilings. You've got really good views of the backyard. Let's take a look at the primary bathroom. It has his and hers vanities. It has a soaking tub. It's got a oversized shower with 2 shower heads and a handheld. It's got heated floors. It's got access to the closet, which I can't wait to show you. My favorite thing about this closet is that it has access to a washer and dryer. It's actually side by side, which a lot of times when you put them in the closets like this, they're stackable. In this laundry room, we've got enough room to go side by side versus stackable washer and dryer. It just has plenty of space for anything you need and any way you want to customize it yourself. All right, y'all, we're standing out on the patio where it's got a very open concept with the sliding doors, and you got the fireplace, plenty of room for entertainment. This is one of my favorite areas in the house. This patio is nice because it connects to the living room and dining room, just all the entertainment spaces in the house where you can just come on out here and enjoy the time. I want to show you this mother-in-law suite. It's fantastic. It comes with a double vanity, a tub, a full shower with a bench. It's even got this little coffee breakfast area porch out here. It's a really neat room for hosting. Another thing about this ensuite is it's right beside the main laundry room to the house. So here at Battery Lane, every single finish was picked by Heather Broyles, our designer on this project, and I think she did an awesome job. She's got a lot of unique fixtures, trim detail. We were really happy to work with her. All right, y'all, thanks for checking out 934 Battery Lane with me today. Please like, share, subscribe. If you're interested, don't hesitate to reach out to Cobalt.